Florida probate law and notice to creditors. If you're administering an estate in Florida, if you're the personal representative or executor of the Florida probate, ask your Florida estate attorney or your probate lawyer what they're doing about creditors. Creditors we think of as people the decedent owed money to or was obligated to prior to death. So if the person who passed away owed money to somebody, that somebody is a creditor, right, a lender, and the decedent who passed away is a debtor. Well, in Florida, if you open up a probate or an estate, the personal representative of that estate has to give notice to that creditor. There may also be unknown creditors out there, so-called unknown or unascertainable creditors. And so you have to publish a notice to creditors. You have to put that in a local publication according to the Florida probate rules and the Florida statutes. So if you're involved in that and you're administering an estate, talk to your Florida probate lawyer about identifying who the creditors are of the decedent and whether there are any known, unknown, or ascertainable creditors of the decedent. You don't want to close an estate too early and not deal with those creditors. And remember, a valid claim, a valid statement of claim in a Florida estate has to be paid before a beneficiary sees the first dime of an inheritance. So if you want to read the Florida probate rule on notice to creditors, read Florida Probate Rule 5.241. 5.241, it'll talk to you and tell you about the notice to creditors. It's an important part of the probate administration process in Florida, whether you're in Hillsborough County like Tampa, Fort Lauderdale, Broward County, Stewart, Florida, Martin County. Dealing with estate creditors is an important part of the probate administration process because estates in Florida are not just about inheriting money. You have to pay off the decedent's debts and you have to satisfy valid creditor claims. If there's a claim that's not valid, you should object to it and fight it in court. My name is John P.L.C. and this concludes my remarks about creditors and statements of claims in Florida probate.